there's no time for the crimes that you rhyme from the soul like you know, but you don't know. You hide and you cry and you say you can't find what you need in yourself is some peace of mind. So don't sing a lie, there's no time for the crimes that you rhyme from the soul like you know, but you don't know. Don't you know what you're doing to me? But you're not, if you're thinking, that's really making the dream. And now we're starting to see if we change the key. Now I'm starting to see if I change the key. A little half step in any direction will change the sound to love. A little half step in any direction will change the sound to love. And that sound you know, sound of your soul. So don't sing a lie, there's no time for the crimes that you rhyme from the soul like you know, but you don't know. There's some place inside, it's not right, it's not wrong, but it's bright and it's strong like you could be, like you are, like we are, all learning to see. To love, change the sound to love, change the sound to love. When the sound you know is love, sound of your soul is love. Change the sound to love. Thank you so much.